The branding that you do is very wholesome. Like, I just feel like I want to be your friend when I go on your website. So I think it's very powerful. I love it. I think, and obviously it's working because you've raised many, many millions of dollars.
Developing and defining your target audience is really the foundation of any success in your business. A lot of people, when they get into syndication and raising capital, it's like this shiny object syndrome to the extreme, right? There's so much to do. The first step is about defining your target audience. When you try to create content that will appeal to everyone, it becomes very generic, very fast. We got really crystal clear with it, and we created an investor avatar. We know what her occupation is, what her husband does, we know what their household income is, and so it makes it much easier to figure out what types of content to create.
People's buying decisions or investment decisions are 80% emotional and 20% logical. Have you heard this before?
When you go to a lot of real estate syndicator websites, you'll find right on the homepage a lot of logic, right?
Yeah.
You'll find investment criteria, what we invest in, why we invest in those asset classes. And people think that the more that you give people logic, right? Logic, of course they'll invest with you because you've given them all of these facts. And in fact, it's exactly what you're saying. Most people will buy or will invest, in our case, based on emotion. It's all about financial freedom and your family and creating passive income so you can spend more time with your kids. It's the goal, the emotional outcome.
I'm conceptualizing this concept of all the webinars that I've seen for offerings by these different syndicators. And it's all like graphs, market analysis, return structures, hypotheticals, and it's not emotional, it's very logic based. And that's why maybe some people's success rate is not that high.
Most people jump right into a specific deal. What are cap rates? What's an equity multiple? What are the markets? And why do we choose these markets?
So it breaks down high net worth individuals by specific types of categories and investor profiles. And we'll start, there's 9 of them. The first one is family stewards, and it goes into their key motivators, which is essentially taking care of their family. There's number 6, the VIPs. These are people that are motivated by getting toys, by getting status, by getting respect.
Well, we've put it all together into the Raising Money Roadmap to give you a clear path to move your business forward and to be able to raise more and do bigger deals.
I just feel like I want to be your friend when I go on your website.